Hi, Angelique. I'm looking at your code here, and I see that you've got it listed in two places. So that might be what's confusing. Um, Flash/animate. So the first thing should be telling the movie to stop until the user clicks the button. I'm just gonna wipe all that out. This is your first action. I'm going to go to code snippets, and I'm assuming that you made this HTML5 file. And on the timeline navigation, we want to say stop at this frame. Okay, that's the first thing. Next, if this is a button, let's see. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, it doesn't look like a button, it looks like text, but what you want to do is you want to tell this to go to page, is that 6? Go to frame 6. So let's go back to frame 1. So we got the stop on there. Hit return after the stop, select that. Go back to the code snippets. HTML canvas, timeline navigation, go to frame and play. We wanted to go to play 5, 6, 7. Go to and play frame 7. All right. So now I'm on a laptop, so everything's always harder for me. So now it goes through here and plays. You got some stock footage. You should use your own work because that's why you're in art school. And it goes all the way to the end here. So now you want a button, another button that'll take you to somewhere outside. So I'm gonna insert a keyframe, and then I'm going to make one of these another button. So let's pretend this said go to my makeup blogging site. I don't know what that would be, so I'm just going to tell it to go to screencast. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add another stop. So we're going to go back to the code snippets. And the reason we add a stop is because we want it to not move until the viewer clicks the button. And then we're going to click on what we want to be the button. And we're going to say we want it to go outside. We want it to go to a web page. I thought I had that selected. I did. Okay, so it's going to stop. You select the button, and then you go to the code snippets and pick whatever action you want. So this is going to go to adobe.com. That's the default thing they put in there for you. And then you paste whatever you want in place of Adobe. So hopefully this is going to work. If it doesn't, I'm going to pause the movie and see if I can figure out what else is wrong. Test movie in browser. Alright, so the button is waiting for me to click it. One thing you'll notice is it's a button if your cursor turns into a little hand. Now one thing that happens is you actually have to create a hit state, and what that is it's an invisible area that'll turn your cursor into a hand. Otherwise it will only turn into a hand where there's artwork. So if I tried to click on this but I was in this white space area, it wouldn't work. It's a side note. Okay, I love makeup blogging. And again, you saw me make that button, and it worked because I told it to go to screencast. Okay, I hope that made sense to you. If it didn't, watch it again, pause it. That's what the beauty of these videos is. Let me know if you have any questions.